In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Lists in Teams in 2026. By the end, you'll know how to add a list tab to a channel, create or import a list, tailor columns and views to your work, and collaborate with your team right inside Teams. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and heading to the channel where this list should live. Choosing the right channel matters because the list you create there will stay with that team and conversation context. At the top of the channel, select the plus icon to add a new tab. If you don't see the plus icon, you may need the right permissions, so check with your administrator. When the tab picker opens, choose Apps to see the full catalog, then search for Lists. Microsoft Lists is a lightweight, flexible way to track work, assets, events, or anything you'd otherwise manage in a spreadsheet. Select Lists from the results and then choose Save to pin it as a tab in your channel. This adds a dedicated space for the list where everyone can find it easily. Next, decide how you want to start. Choose Create New if you want to use a Microsoft template or begin with a blank list. Templates are great shortcuts because they come with sensible columns and views out of the box, while a blank list gives you total control from the start. You can also import from Excel or reuse an existing list. If you import from Excel, make sure your first row contains clear column headers so lists can recognize your fields correctly. Once your list is created, customize it so it matches your workflow. Add columns for the information you need, think text, numbers, choices, dates, or people, and keep names clear and consistent so teammates know exactly what to enter. Then shape how your team sees the data with custom views. Use filters, sorting, and grouping to spotlight what matters most and reduce noise for different audiences. Switch among specialized views to work faster. Gallery is ideal for visual items, like assets with images or rich descriptions. Calendar lays out items by date, perfect for deadlines and milestones. Board lets you drag items between buckets, making it easy to track progress through stages. Finally, your team can edit the list directly in the Channel tab. Lists inherit the channel's permissions, so anyone who has access to the channel can view and collaborate. That keeps ownership and visibility simple and aligned with how your team already works. That's it. Add lists to a channel, pick a starting point, tailor columns and views, and collaborate where your conversations happen.